how to activate Windows 11 permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you activate Windows 11 permanently on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to do right click on your Windows icon. So for that you'll have to just move with the taskbar and just right click on the Windows icon, and now from here click on settings. Okay, so from the settings section you'll have to go to the option system. Alright, so from the system section you'll have to scroll down and go to the options like activation, so simply click on it. Alright, so right now my Windows is activated, so I will get options like activate. So in your case it might be showing here like not active, so simply you have to click on it, and after you click on it you'll be able to see options like activate with your key, or you can also go to the option upgrade your edition of Windows. So from here you'll have to just go to the option activate with your key, and from there you'll have to just provide your product key of your Windows, and after you provide the product key of your Windows you'll have to just click on next, and from there you can easily activate the Windows 11 on your PC or laptop for permanently. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.